Welcome to this issue of Spacecraft Guide, the channel that describes how the most iconic spacecraft in history work. In this episode, we'll be going over the electronic Talkback displays. This week, we are going to focus on the work we did in the Lunar module. Specifically, we worked on the Descent Power Systems Engineer Battery Talkback display. When you click on this ball, it goes to the Descent Power SE, or System Engineer Battery Talkback. Let's talk a little bit about SE. SE stands for, like I said, System Engineer, which is another word for Lunar Module Pilot. So those are worked intermittently, or those can be exchanged intermittently. Whenever you see SE, that means Lunar Pilot or LM Pilot, and when you see LM Pilot, that also means Systems Engineer. Now, what these displays here do are they indicate the condition of the specified descent battery. If it's all gray, it indicates respective descent battery is online with high voltage or high voltage tap. When it's gray or with low display, it indicates indicates respective descent battery is online with a low voltage tap. And the barber pole, as we see here, that indicates respective descent battery is offline, not giving any power to the lunar module. Now I want to talk a little bit about the Talkback, which I think is an ingenious mechanical display for its time. Talkbacks are electromechanical devices that display power available depending on the input signal. When power is passing through the respective circuit, the device is gray. When no more power is available from the battery for the respective circuit, the device is white with a diagonal black line, or a barber pole. We would like to thank the Apollo Education Experience Project at apolloexperience.com for the displays of the Talkbacks. This display was instrumental in helping Jim Lovell at one glance know how much propellant was in the reaction control system and relay it to Capcom, and they understood exactly the condition of the Odyssey. We can see how it worked and how it helped when Jim Lovell said, okay, we're looking at our S service module, RS reaction control system, helium-1. We have B is barber pole and D is barber pole. Helium-2, D barber pole, and secondary propellants, I have A and C barber pole. That's all for this week. If you like what you've seen, please like, share, and subscribe this video. And if you really want to help us, join our Patreon page, which will be below in the show notes.